Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to take a closer look at the situation on the Ukrainian front. Day 747. In the Bakhmut sector, Ukrainian Armed Forces repelled 5 enemy attacks near Klishchiyivka, Andriivka, Stupochky, and east of Chasovyi Yar in Donetsk region. The Russian Buk missile system is hidden in the woods, but despite this, the Ukrainians spotted it and destroyed it with a single shot from a Himars. You can also see that 2 missiles fly out of the launcher system due to the fire and fly in different directions. In the Avdiivka sector, Ukrainian troops repelled 11 enemy attacks in the vicinity of Berdychi, Orlivka, Tonenke, Pervomaiske, and Nevelske in Donetsk region. A convoy of 4 vehicles is heading toward Ukrainian positions, including 1 tank and 3 IFVs with infantry. An artillery shell hits the first infantry fighting vehicle and completely destroys it. As the tank continued on, it hit a mine and exploded, and the 2 APCs behind it stopped, which was used by Ukrainian drone pilots to finish off more enemy vehicles. And here's a video of a Ukrainian T-90A tank and BT pulling another T-90A out of the swamp, which was captured from the Russians and evacuated. In the Mariinka sector, the Ukrainian Defense Forces continue to hold back the enemy in the areas of Krasnohorivka, Orlivka, Novomykhailivka, and Pobeda in Donetsk region, where the enemy tried to break through the defense of 18 times. This video was posted by the 46th Air Mobile Brigade, a Russian tank and an armored personnel carrier heading towards Ukrainian positions. The Ukrainians spotted them in time and used drones, and after the Russians left the transport, they had to finish off the equipment to prevent its evacuation. And for dessert, the Ukrainians also spotted a Russian TOS-1 in this direction and destroyed it with the help of just 1 kamikaze drone. In the Zaporizhzhia sector, the enemy attacked the positions of Ukrainian defenders 5 times in the areas of Robotyne, Staromyrska, and northwest of Verbov in the Zaporizhzhia region. While reconnoitering the area, a Ukrainian drone detected a hidden Russian Palatine electronic warfare system and destroyed it with the help of Himars. Meanwhile, the Russian Freedom Legion and the Siberian Legion, which are fighting as part of the Ukrainian army, have begun conducting sabotage and reconnaissance operations in the Russian Federation. According to Russian channels, on the morning of March 12th, several groups broke through the border in the Kursk, Bryansk, and Belgorod regions using heavy equipment such as tanks. At that time, the Ukrainians launched massive drone attacks on Russian industrial facilities throughout the day. Later, it became known that they hit such facilities as the oil depot in Orel, the thermal power plant in St. Petersburg, and the Lukoil oil refinery in Nizhny Novgorod region, which is the 2nd largest in Russia.
Ебать! Ну это пизда. Там сейчас под давлением, ёб твою мать. Пиздец.
But that's not all. Around 12 o'clock, videos began to spread online of a Russian Il-76 aircraft used for military purposes crashing to the ground after an engine fire. According to unofficial Russian sources, with 15 people on board, including pilots of a sabotage reconnaissance aircraft A-50.
Пахнет.